Now next one is like that heading and button should be in center. So what you did, this one is our parent, so we'll give position relative. That class will give position relative. Okay, this one is our like a absolute section, so we'll give to this section is absolute. Okay, absolute. Top we need to means we need as a center of this section, so top will give 50%, left 50%, transform translate minus 50 50. Okay, for these things. The, okay, so this is our content. So now next one is similar like we'll give right side also. So now you can see it look like that. Okay, now need to design. So what was the size, we'll see. So that heading color should be white. Okay, this one is the CSS, we just copy it and paste it. Okay, now we'll see it look like that. Okay, that button also, so we'll give it, copy it, and we'll write CSS and add it class name here. Okay, by default properties is taking, so or unset, then you can write. Oh my god, it will change everything. Okay, text is white, so color should be okay. We can see the button size is 24 and line height is 100%. I write it right. Okay. Font size 24 pixel, border 2 pixel, solid white, adding everything. You just remove it. If you give it to height, then it will pixel, pixel. Display flags. Okay, you can give it to width 100% and give it to max width. Okay, it's not proper as for, let's see, 210. Right. It's not as for Figma. Yeah, padding left 32, that's why. Okay. Okay. I'm adding display flags, flex direction, column, justify content, center, align item center, and raw gap is 10 pixel. need to move on that section to above. Neighbor need to above to that section. Okay, so okay, there are a few methods we can do, but we just simply check what is the height. Height is 94. We just give it to margin top minus 90 pixels. 95, 94, so 94. It will look like that, and we can give it to position relative z index. Okay, and this section you can improve little bit more. If you see, so we just add on the our CSS. We can change the content also. Okay, so basically I designed each section separately. Okay, now need to check each field is correct as for Figma or not. So basically come to the that section, neighbor 94 height, and the logo size is 32, 94, 32, 32. Okay, this heading and button should be center of that image. So if you see, it should be the center of that image. I think its gap is coming between them. Our image is correct, second image is correct also. is taking space little bit. I'm giving width 100%. It will responsive. It will show. Okay. Right now I'm giving 100% as the image because there are some glitches coming, so I just remove it. Okay,